Venezuela vs Mexico live updates. Rafael Romo saves penalty to secure famous Copa America victory. In a thrilling encounter at the Copa America, Venezuela triumphed over Mexico in a match defined by intense moments and a spectacular save that sealed their victory. The clash, held at a packed stadium in São Paulo, Brazil, showcased the resilience and determination of both teams, but ultimately, Venezuela emerged victorious in a game that will be remembered for its drama and excitement. The match began with both teams displaying their attacking prowess, eager to seize an early advantage. Mexico, known for their fast-paced style of play, pushed forward aggressively, testing Venezuela's defense with swift counterattacks and precise passing. On the other hand, Venezuela demonstrated their strategic discipline, focusing on maintaining possession and patiently waiting for opportunities to exploit gaps in Mexico's defense. As the first half progressed, the intensity on the field escalated. Mexico's forward line, led by their captain, pressed relentlessly, forcing Venezuela's goalkeeper, Rafael Romo, into several crucial saves to keep his team level. Romo's experience and composure under pressure proved vital, as he denied Mexico's attempts with acrobatic stops and strategic positioning. The turning point of the match came in the second half when Venezuela seized the initiative with a quick counterattack that caught Mexico's defense off guard. A precise through ball found Venezuela's star striker in space, who calmly slotted the ball past Mexico's goalkeeper, sending the Venezuelan fans into jubilation. The goal not only broke the deadlock, but also shifted the momentum firmly in Venezuela's favor. However, Mexico responded fiercely, intensifying their attacks in search of an equalizer. Their efforts were rewarded when they were awarded a penalty in the dying minutes of the game, setting the stage for a nerve-wracking finale. With the entire stadium holding its breath, Mexico's penalty taker stepped up confidently, aiming to restore parity and force the game into extra time. Yet fate had other plans. Rafael Romo, the hero of the match for Venezuela, produced a moment of brilliance by diving to his left and spectacularly saving the penalty. The stadium erupted in cheers as Venezuela's players mobbed Romo in celebration of his match-winning heroics. The save not only secured Venezuela's victory, but also etched Romo's name into Copa America folklore. In the aftermath of the match, Venezuela's coach praised his team's resilience and tactical discipline, emphasizing their ability to execute the game plan under immense pressure. He highlighted Romo's save as a defining moment that exemplified the team's determination to succeed against a formidable opponent like Mexico. For Mexico, despite the disappointment of defeat, there were positives to take away from their performance. Their attacking display and relentless spirit showcased their potential in future tournaments, and they will undoubtedly look to bounce back stronger in their upcoming fixtures. As the final whistle blew, Venezuela celebrated a famous victory that will be remembered for years to come. Their journey in the Copa America continues with renewed confidence and belief, fueled by the passion and support of their fans. The match against Mexico will stand as a testament to the unpredictable nature of football and the enduring spirit of competition that defines the Copa America. In conclusion, Venezuela's triumph over Mexico was not just a victory on the scoreboard, but a testament to the perseverance and skill of their players. With Rafael Romo's heroic save etched in memory, Venezuela moves forward in the tournament with optimism and determination, ready to face whatever challenges lie ahead.